What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Icky, Licky, the nightmare critter from Poppy Playtime. Let's begin today's lesson along the top of our page and draw the top edge of the eyelid. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We're going to draw a straight line going up and then out. Let's line this up over on the right side and do the same thing, going up towards the top. Now I want to draw on the bottom of the eyes. Let's start back on the left. We're going to draw a half circle coming all the way around towards the bottom of the eye. Then just pull that back in. Then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right, going all the way around and then up. Now in the center of the right eye, we're going to draw a small oval for the pupil. And then on the left side, we're going to pull the pupil towards the inside. So let's start from the top, come around, and then in. Let's fill the outside of the eyes in black, going around the pupils. Let's connect the eyes with a curve going from the left underneath the eye, going up and then down. Now we move down, draw the top edge of the mouth with another curve going up and then down. It's going to round out the mouth, going up toward the left side to right about there. And do the same thing on the right, coming around and then up. Let's curve the mouth, going around and down towards the side. And you want to open up the mouth, starting back on the left, coming down towards the bottom, go all the way across and tuck that up underneath on the right. Now I'm going to add the tongue over on the right side. So you're going to start down here, then this up, and then down. Step over to create a fold, going across and then down. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth, and we want to go around that tongue. Now I move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. Let's start on top of the mouth on the left, curve this around, follow the curve of the mouth coming all the way down towards the chin, towards the middle. I'm just going to wrap this around the right side. Go all the way around, go up, and then bend that in. Let's go back to the left side. On top of the cheek, bend the head, going around the eye, come down in the middle. Let's round up the center of the head, go up across the top right, bend the head, coming out and then down. Let's add a trim across the eyes, starting from the inside of the left eye, going up, out, and then down. Go to the right side and do the same thing, going up and then down. Now in between the eyes, we're going to add a fold. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw in the right arm. We'll start underneath the head, curve the arm coming down, and then out towards the first finger. Let's draw the first finger, going up, around, and back in. Let's add the second finger, drawing that same shape, going around the hand, and in, and then we'll do that one more time, going around, and then up towards the hand. Let's bend the back side of the hand, coming in towards the thumb. Now I want to create an overlap, so we're going to step up, come across that line, round out the thumb, and go up towards the wrist. Now the arm is going to get narrower as we come up towards the armpit, so we start down here, go in, and then bend that up. Now we're going to go all the way over towards the left side and draw the front edge of the belly. We're going to go out, come down, and then in towards the inside of the right leg. From here, curves down and then out towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the foot, going down and up towards the first toe. Now right here we draw a small circle for the toe. We're just going to close this off on the inside. Let's add two more toes on the outside, starting from the top, draw another circle going around, and do that one more time. From the top of that middle toe, we're going to taper the leg, coming in and then up towards the body, round at the hip, and go up underneath the arm. Let's go back up to the top, step over, draw a straight line coming down towards the left heel. And then we're going to round out the foot and pull that back up. Now you want to do the same thing. We're going to draw a circle for the front toe. Now I'm just going to see the edge of the last two toes along the side. I'm just going to trace this around twice. Let's go on top of that middle toe, bend the leg coming in, and then pull that up underneath the body. Now let's go back up to the top of the body. We're going to draw on the left arm, coming down, and then bend that out. Let's draw on that first finger. Going around, and then bend that in. Let's bend the hand, coming down towards the thumb, round out the thumb, and then pull that up towards the wrist. I'm going to add two curves for the palm, coming in and up. Step down, just tuck this in underneath. Let's go up to the top, draw two fingers, two circles going in behind. Now we're going to draw on that symbol in the center of the body. Let's start at the very top of the circle with an open end along the top. It's going to come all the way around and back up. Let's add another one on the bottom left, and again, leaving the open gap along the bottom left side. So come around to the left, come down towards the bottom, and then out. And you want to take that shape and flip it over on the right. Starting out here, coming around, and then up. Let's fill the center. Now I just want to trace each of these shapes along the inside to create almost like a moon shape. Just adding some thickness to those curves, and it will fill in the inside. Now in the center of each shape, we're going to add a small curve across the middle. Now we're going to trace this along the outside. Let's start from the left. Go all the way around, and then down, and then trace out the bottoms. Now along the top, draw two lines going up underneath the chin, step back down, add the chain going up and then out. Now we're going to go back and add that pattern across the body. Let's start from the left hand, start from the bottom finger, bend this up across the fingers and then out. Let's separate the base of the thumb with another curve. Now along the arm, starting from the top, bend this down and then in, step up and draw that again. Let's add that wave across the body, starting from the left side, go in behind, continue on the right, going across the shoulder and then out, come down towards the bottom, draw that wave, going across and then up towards the hip. Let's continue on the right arm, coming down and up. Let's separate the thumb with a curve, and then these three fingers, we're going to add a curve going across the base. Let's add a trim across the inside of the left leg, coming down and then in. Move down to the outside, add that wave, coming down towards the heel. Add one more curve across the foot. Now we're going to continue this line coming across the top of the leg. Add that trim coming down. I'm going to add a couple more curves across the leg. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Icky, Licky, the nightmare critter from Poppy Playtime. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.